Gaines transforms son's former bedroom into an exquisite kitchen space. Joanna Gaines's youngest child, Crew, who is now 6 years old, has recently moved into what the family lovingly calls a big boy room in their welcoming home. This exciting change has given Joanna, a talented interior designer, the perfect opportunity to unleash her creativity in transforming his previous bedroom. Initially, Crew's old room was a quaint area adjacent to the kitchen. Sensing the potential of this space, Joanna revamped it into a stunning extension of the kitchen, breathing new life into what was once a tucked-away corner of their family home. Sharing the remarkable transformation on her social media, Joanna surprised everyone with stunning images of this renewed space. The room, now an awe-inspiring new kitchen area, features elegant black wood panels, open shelving, a sophisticated marble island, and trendy geometrical tiling. Notably, she preserved the charming red brick fireplace, which serves as a delightful focal point in the updated room. Joanna humorously captioned her inspiration for the project, saying that adding space for cooking and entertaining was the leading idea. Eventually, she aimed to fulfill her sourdough dreams within this newly imagined butler's pantry. On her blog at Magnolia, Joanna dives deeper into her creative journey, affectionately referring to this transformation as a mini reno. She describes the focus on themes like tucked away, inspiring, charming, and creative to breathe charm into the space. In a touching letter, Joanna reflects on how the room has evolved over the 12 years they've lived in their home. From an office to a nursery and a toddler room, this space has grown alongside the family. And now, as they embrace a new chapter, the room is poised to play a part in the family's culinary adventures and gatherings. Janae adds a sweet touch by displaying treasured family recipes, ensuring that past experiences and memories continue to shape this significant part of their home.